Hi, this is Candace. I'm here with Joel Bruce Wallach, the inventor of the amazing Powerforms. We are here today and we're going to talk about emotional stability and using the Red Earth Element, the Divine Essence Disc, to work with maintaining, finding emotional stability. Joel, show us how.
Emotional stability, Candace. So, the Earth element disk, it's a slower energy, but it's somewhat different than the neutral space, which is also a slower energy. Neutral space brings everything to deep neutrality. The Earth element aligns you with the Earth, so it's earthy and stabilizing, but it features bringing you into your body because your body, if we think about body, mind, spirit, your body is the earthy aspect of that trinity. So your soul is as big as the universe, your mind is just about that big, and your body is right here. So just as the emanations coming off of the earth might go as far as you can imagine, but the earth is one thing. So when we interact with the essence of earth, our energy flows through, is gently processed, and what comes back is our own energy. This never adds an energy, it simply takes your energy and fine tunes it, in this case, into an earthy energy. Now, the earth principle is stable, and we're talking about stability. When you're all over the place and your brain is jacked up on whatever it is you're concerned about, you don't have a sense of the earth. In fact, because the mind is so vast, here's the problem. Your brilliant mind, when you're focused or unfocused in some weird, unbalanced way, that becomes your world. It's the world of, oh my gosh.
Reaction.
So when it stabilizes in one place, in one earth, in one body, it gives you the gift of being able to look at all the noise and to recognize, this is me, this is my body, this is right now, and I can make that distinction between me, grounded in my body, as compared to the mind that's racing all about it. Now, the great thing is your mind can work more effectively when you are grounded in your body and connected to the earth. The wisdom of that stability then feeds back to your mind, and your mind is able to recognize, I'm going to keep this thought, oh, but this other one I was worried about, I can let that go. Oh, and this other thing I was concerned about, I need to find a solution for that. In the state of worried, distracted thinking, solutions do not appear, except for those desperate ones that you don't want.
Right. Right.
So stability that comes from being grounded in the body, connected to the earth plane, that we want. You can place this on any part of the body, any chakra, any gland.
You know, I notice when I use the discs, a different experience based upon how I'm holding them and using them. Whether I'm touching them with my fingertips or I'm touching it with my palm, on a chakra, I have a totally different experience based upon where and how I'm using them. I mean, so here we're talking about the earth element and the grounding, and so here it's on my heart chakra. And, that feels completely different than when I'm holding it with my fingers.
Right, because you can take any element, air, earth, water, fire, take the element of earth and grounding, apply that to heart. So it stabilizes the heart's tendency when it needs clarity. If your heart is wound up about something and saying, oh, do I love this person? Do I hate this person?
Right. Right.
because it's not stabilized. So we bring the earthy element to the heart and it gets stabilized in that way. If we bring it to the mind, now we don't think of earth generally in connection with the mind,
No.
but we should, because minds that aren't grounded are not as smart as they could be.
Right.
And then we could unite with um, all the meridians of the body. And now the nervous system and the meridians all throughout the body are getting more connected to body and to earth.
Hmm. Wow, Joel, this is really powerful.
Mm,
Thank you so much.
a lot of potential here.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Candace.